This category is growing well. So we think our active category grows at about 3 to 5% a year. But when we're growing at 18%, we're also taking market share. And what we're finding is about half of the customers who switch over to Fabletics are actually trading up. Where previously there.
We're here at the 28th ICR conference in Orlando, where industry leaders are sharing their thoughts on the year ahead. Joining me now is Adam Goldenberg. He is the co-founder and CEO of Fabletics, a leading activewear brand. Adam, welcome.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for having me.
All right, so Fabletics is a household name. You have been on the scene since 2013. Tell us about the brand.
Yeah, so our brand is simple. We started Fabletics because we believe the world's best fashion and quality leggings shouldn't cost $100. And we've really tried to redefine the category, and we've delivered both to men and women incredible fashion, incredible quality, but at a price point that is accessible and fair.
I understand there also is a subscription service with Fabletics. Can you take us through the business model and the price points?
Yeah, so we have a membership model. So taking a step backwards, at Fabletics, you can shop just like any other brand at our 114 retail stores or online. Our retail pricing is going to be about 10 to 15% less expensive than Lululemon. Or you can become a VIP member. And as a VIP member, you save even more money. You get first access to special collections. You get exclusive products. And that membership program allows you to shop whenever and how frequently you want and always pick the product you want.
So how do you make sure that you are maintaining quality while also keeping the prices affordable?
Yeah, so we're maniacal about our fit and quality. So it all starts first with the fabrics. So we develop our own proprietary fabrics that have incredible hand feel and performance attributes. Then we make sure it is the perfect fit. We do that through intensive focus groups, and then looking at all of our product reviews and ensuring 90% product recommendation rates. And if a product isn't loved, we fix it or discontinue it.
And you also delivered $1 billion in net revenue. You grew to more than 100 stores, and you served 3 million customers in 2025. What do you attribute that growth to?
Yeah, 2025 was an awesome year for us. We further accelerated our growth. So we grew at 14.5% in 24. We accelerated and grew at over 18% in 25, and over 25% growth in Q4. And what we attribute that to is a number of things. First of all, the product was incredible. So we launched some of our best-selling product with our new TLC leggings in women's, the Don franchise in men's, and our wide leg scrubs were a huge hit with consumers. We opened our 114th store, and our stores saw over 15% same store comps. And then we're just getting incredible word of mouth and incredible brand heat. So new customer acquisition has been huge, and we just took a lot of market share in 25.
And how would you describe Fabletics? Are you only workout gear? Are you casual gear? Describe like the clothing to me.
So I think the whole category's changed a little bit. Activewear has become a lot of everyday wear. So we have true activewear and lounge, and we like to call the category really active life wear, which is taking performance fabrics and incredibly comfortable product that you can use for multiple purposes. So for example, the Don pant, you can work out in it, you can golf in it, you can wear it to work, you can wear it to date night, right? And we're just seeing there's more and more crossover where consumers love to have product that feels great and you can wear it for multiple different purposes.
Why do you think you're seeing such a rise in the business? Like, what cultural shifts do you think we're seeing in how people dress and how they present themselves that attribute to that growth?
Well, I think there's a couple things happening. One is this category is growing well. So we think our active category grows at about 3 to 5% a year. But when we're growing at 18%, we're also taking market share. And what we're finding is about half of the customers who switch over to Fabletics are actually trading up, where previously they might be buying their activewear at Old Navy Active or at Target. And then the other half of consumers are actually trading into our brand, where previously they're buying Lululemon, Nike, or Athleta. So I think what's happening is, one is there is this casualization trend that's occurring. And I also think you're seeing emerging brands like ourselves take market share from the incumbent players.
And how are you differentiating yourselves from brands like Lululemon?
Yeah, so one is we want to be pushing the boundaries of fashion. So we launch every single month new styles, colors, prints, collaborations. But our quality is second to none, but we do it at a much better price point.
What is your favorite item that you sell?
Well, that's like asking you to pick your favorite child. but if I guess it would probably be both the Don franchise, both the Don Pan and the Don shirt. And I got to tell you, I was actually at a business dinner, and it's great you can wear your activewear to a business dinner. And I had that horrible moment where I actually spilled a espresso martini on myself, but because of the product, just brushed right off, no stains, and that's the performance attribute that makes such a great product.
What is your hope for this brand? Like, what do you want to provide the consumer with the work that you do every day?
We just want to keep giving consumers product that they love, and we want to be their favorite brand. So every guy, every girl has a lot of choices in the brand they wear, but there's always that one brand that you take out of your closet that when you put it on, you're like, wow, I feel amazing. I have a connection with that brand, and that's what we want. So we believe we're in the early innings of becoming that household name and most beloved activewear brand in the world.
All right, Adam Goldenberg, co-founder and CEO of Fabletics, thank you so much for joining us.
Oh, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.